Good morning, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to another daily crypto tech review of EOS, Ethereum and Ripple's XRP on the 4th of June. It's been a mixed start to the day for EOS, testing resistance at 270. We're going to need to see EOS avoid sub 268 pivot, however, to support a run at the first major resistance level at 272.23. Support from the broader market is going to be needed to break out from Wednesday's high 270.72. Failure to break through would see sub 260s come into play. A fall through the pivot would bring the first major support level at 264.80 into play. Barring an extended sell-off, however, we expect sub 260s to be avoided. The second major support level at 260.33 should limit any downside on the day. Moving over to Ethereum, seen a similar trend this morning. Resistance at 245 pinned Ethereum back at the early part of the day. We're going to need to see Ethereum avoid sub 241s where the pivot sits to support a run at the first major resistance level 248.90. Again, we're going to need support from the broader market for Ethereum to break out from Wednesday's high 245.39. That resistance at 245 playing in. Barring a rally, extended rally, we should see first major resistance level at 248.90 cap the upside on the day. Failure to avoid the first pivot, a fall through 241 levels would bring the first major support level at 236.79 into play. We should see Ethereum avoid sub 230 levels on the day, however. And finally, moving over to Ripple, we saw Ripple struggle at 2040 levels early this morning, pulling back. We're going to need to see Ripple avoid sub 230, the pivot, however, to support a run at the first major resistance level at 2058. We're going to need to see that support from the broader market for a breakout from Wednesday's high 2040.85, 2050. Proving to be a resistance point for Ripple at the moment. Failure to avoid sub 2030s brings the first major support level at 2016 into play. Barring a crypto meltdown, we should see Ripple avoid sub 20s and the second major support level at 1991. On the day, with no major drivers to provide direction for the majors, expect Bitcoin to provide some direction for the broader market. We're going to need to see Bitcoin break out through to 9,700 levels to support the pack. That should be a cue for the bulls that would bring resistance levels into play for the three.